About to go to the post office, drop the orders off. Yo, what's up guys? So today we're gonna be slamming the Nismo. So I'm gonna pull up to Sammy's house and then we're gonna slap the coils on. He already started it, and then I have to run to the post office real quick, drop off your guys' orders, and then yeah, we'll see you guys at Sammy's. But the Mr. Superstar plushie drops this Friday, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It might already be dropped by the time this video comes out, but follow us on Instagram so you always stay updated. Yeah, these seats are so goated, bro. They just look like crazy, bro. Just got to the post office, about to go drop these orders off, and then I got to go to UPS and drop some orders off, and then we'll be going to Sammy's.
Oh, my bus went too.
Hey, what do you say?
Bro.
So give them an update. What have you done so far?
So far, I took off all the stock stuff on the Nismo. Almost done on this one. Just gotta take the camber arm off, and then before I put everything on, I look need to clean all that stuff off because I have a bunch of axle grease all over it. So, but I mean, yeah, almost done.
Hey, it's tough because if you clean the Brembos up, like, it'll low-key look like match the PBM. No, just for style, that should be crazy. 2 calipers would be nuts.
Just for the flex, huh?
Yeah, no, that'd actually be so tough. The Viennos, like, show the brakes good, too. That's the one thing about the Garsons, like, they cover brakes.
Yeah, I wish I had Sean's pry bars right about now. Oh yeah, that's not fun. Goodbye, subframe.
No, after today, the Nismo's gonna be looking hot.
I mean, I'm not doing the front, so.
Just the rear?
Yeah, I mean, I thought I did the front because I can have a lot of time, I feel like.
I say you just bust the fronts out, bro.
Nah, the angle kid's a bitch trying to do all that shit.
But you have to take the coil off, you have to take off angle kit and everything.
I mean, I'm switching off the parts anyways, but yeah. I mean, like maybe I'll just take the coils out and the uppers.
I say you just slap coils on, and then.
Boy, I'm a one-man team right now. Man, you should do this, man. Man, you should help me.
What do you need help with?
Nah, I don't really need help.
Really, nigga?
What would be easy? That's what I'm doing with Sean. Like, I'm gonna do one side, he'll do the other side. That's what would be easy. Wait, what about the bug?
You know, these clears actually look like the FRS stock taillights.
Yeah, in a way.
How they're clear with like a little red.
Little red bulb, or like the red.
People have been running them. I still have mine.
Dude, I like those better than full clears in my opinion. I like your Tom clears a lot though.
No, I like the 17 plus.
Design in the bulb, you know what I mean?
Yeah, because the 17 plus is a different style. Shop now, superstargarage.com. But yeah, it's hot as fuck. Dude, it's literally, what's the date today? February 4th. We'll adjust. And it is 83 degrees outside. But, gotta love SoCal weather. Sammy finally got a real badge.
See what Marketplace be saying.
Stock coil.
Sean Greenfield shared a reel.
I know he sent me that too.
Here, Sean.
Wrench, boy.
Bro, I hate wrenching. Passion.
Sammy actually wants to be a mechanic, he said. It's his dream job.
I don't know.
He looks up to Sean a lot.
I hate Sean. Yeah.
Butter. How's it going?
Pretty good. Oh, ow. Oh, guys, need to put the toe arm, bolt, and the knuckle. Lower it again?
Alright.
I said lower it, you fucking cock.
So we're all done at this side. Just need to tighten everything down and then put in the coil on the other car.
Yep.
Baby, oh. Getting all the brake dust off.
Not even brake dust, all this axle grease. Yeah, that should be good.
Shocks or springs or some shit.
Yeah, all of that. So I'm replacing the coilover suspension, then also the rest of all the arms.
Arms.
Like, they're just called arms, like your camera arm, toe arm, and traction arm.
Damn, you're gonna be out here all fucking day.
Nah, 25% done, gang.
25%? That's nothing, bro. You're still gonna be out here all day.
The bench. Have you seen the meme? The meme?
Meme.
All our friends commented that Sammy's bumper turned into a bench.
What do they mean by that?
It looks like a bench, because it's just like long. It's long
looks
like a
cool.
bench.
Because it's long. Like longer than usual. If you look at his old bumper.
Like,
I think it's fine.
I think it's tough. I like it.
I don't think it's, yeah, I think it's, I'll be trust me, if there's anyone who's gonna hate on this guy, it'll be me, but like, there's nothing wrong with it. I like it.
Sit on it like a bench.
You probably
While
could.
Sammy's under the car.
Nah,
Do it now.
Yeah, should I? That's a good idea, right?
Yeah. I need a
You
detail.
know, looking like that. Put a detail.
Yeah. Toe's definitely off.
Huh? My toe?
Yeah, it's definitely.
Definitely probably fucking.
Why is it so high?
I think it's because the other side.
Why is it still high? Like,
Hopefully because the other side.
right. I'll stop before the curb. Dude. Thank God.
Why are you so stupid?
Deer said to give him a boost. He said, "Give me a boost." So, so I gave him a boost. Hey, I'll piss with you, man. That hit the Nismo.
Pay for the body paint and shit.
Nah, dude, thank goodness it hit that bucket.
Rich, right, Sammy?
No.
I think he owns a business.
Dude, thank you, bucket. Thank you. That was crazy. Alright, let's try it again.
Trust your ass.
That's what I swooped from the ice cream truck. So gas. available this Friday. Superstargarage.com. Get one.
When I'm out in public, know I got the switchy tuck. Niggas tried to use their feet, I guess they ran